Hello everyone, my name is Kalhar and I'm the leader of team Alt4, and today I'm going to present my enterprise platform video. So let us first begin with sign up. Let's create an account, name, email, now let's enter a random password and create the account. So this is a member account. Here you can see your dashboard with the subscribed companies. Now let us see through manage companies. These are the subscribed companies. So member accounts cannot modify the number of companies, like they are subscribed to a default company. Now let us look at some news. Okay, so here you can see Google announces Gemini 3 Pro, a new state-of-art news. We have given it 4 parameters: risk score, opportunity, sentiment, and threat. These are derived from Gemini API through market analysis. We have also provided a summary which would be mailed later to the subscribers, and we have also provided detailed analysis, you can see, and impact analysis. This comes to play when you are competing with a company, for example Nvidia is competing to Google in this upcoming GPU battle. So yeah, this is the impact analysis feature. And we also provide tags and recommended actions, which we would use in further future modifications. So here we can see we can create tasks for our members. We can provide task title, priority, low, medium, high. We can also add a due date, so the task should be done by, let's say, December 10. Let us assign to Deep, and let us add a description, review this. And yeah, here we create a task for Deep to look over this and probably do something about it. Here you can check the tasks, and here you can also add comment, like people can use this comment section to chat or to, let's say, update, like provide me an update about this. So let us post, yeah, here we go. We posted a comment, please update me. And yeah, we can create task independently as well, like without any news, like news we can relate to independent tasks. So like think of it as a to-do list. We can use this task new task bar as a to-do list. Yeah, we can view the event for which the task was created for Deep, and that's about it. So now let us sign out and log in into the admin ID. We have kept the password and email same for our use case. Okay, so now you can see the admin dashboard. Here you can see Google, which is a subscribed company. We can manage companies this time around, and like we can even remove Google if we want and subscribe to other companies we like. So let us say subscribe to Meta, let us subscribe to Tesla, and let us subscribe to AMD and Samsung, yeah, Apple. So yeah, now you can see we have subscribed to AMD, Apple, Google, Tesla, and in the dashboard you can see the companies we have subscribed to. We can even remove something if you want. So from the list of company, let us select Apple. You can see all the latest news that Apple has shown. So this has the same features as the member ID. You can see risk score, opportunity, sentiment, and threat level. And for task, it's the same. But in admin, we have a new feature called members. We can invite members to manage our team. Let us add Kalhar, which is my ID. We can add a mail address, and we can send an invitation to Kalhar. Kalhar10@gmail.com. Yeah, So we just sent an invite to Kalhar, and you can check in team members Kalhar has been added. So now let us go to the mail. You can see that I am invited to the mail. I can accept the invitation and join the FutureFeed to receive news. I would get a periodic news, like I would get news whenever a new event has occurred. So that's about it. Here you can see I have received Google News, which I subscribe to. Now let's sign out and look at a bit of infrastructure of our FutureFeed architecture. So yeah, this is an event-driven microservice architecture. Front end is designed in Next.js, API gateway through API gateway North service. User-facing services use notification service, task manager, and user profile service. The backbone of our project is Kafka and Redpanda. Our news processing pipeline has 5 microservices: news fetcher, content processor, entity extractor, risk scorer, and event summarizer. And as for data storage, we use Postgres, S3, and Elasticsearch. So this is our microservice architecture, and here you can see Redpanda. This is how news are fetched. The news are fetched into news.raw.fetched, and you can see news raw.fetched. Let's see. So yeah, here you can see. Then the news go to cleaned. The news would be cleaned. Then it would be enriched by LLM, and then it would be deduped using PG vector, and then an event is created for the news, which we receive in our mails. You can see event ID is created, and this is our database, pgadmin. You can see various tables, schemas like alerts, articles, channels, companies, events, memberships, messages. Yeah, so we use Postgres for our database. So now let's look at our Docker. Here you can see Redis, Postgres, Redpanda, like each is connected to a different port: console, front end, pgadmin, news fetcher. Each of them are connected to a unique port, and this is how our application works after Dockerizing. You can see on the right it is being updating every second as we speak. And yeah, now so in conclusion, FutureFeed demonstrates the power of modern enterprise architecture in solving real-world business challenges. It has many enterprise use cases. This platform is ideal for market research firms needing competitive intelligence, PR agencies, and monitoring brand mentions, financial institutions tracking market movements, and many more. Organizations can customize alert rules, track specific companies or topics, and receive real-time notifications on some critical developments. And as for the future improvements, we are thinking about a lot. Moving forward, we plan to implement advanced sentiment analysis with historical trending, multi-language support expansion, and integration with social media platforms like Twitter and Reddit, which people use to get the latest news. Twitter is used a lot. And we are also thinking of adding predictive analytics for forecasting market trends and mobile applications for on-the-go access. We are also thinking of enhanced visualization dashboards with interactive charts using Python, API marketplace for third-party integrations, and machine learning models that learn from user feedback, more like RLHF, reinforcement learning with human feedback, to improve our relevance scoring. So yeah, this is our project FutureFeed. As you can see, it has many use cases for like enterprise. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you.